Hey folks, in this video we are going to go through the procedure of how to locate, remove, and insert your motorcycle protective armor padding. This protective padding is commonly applied to 3 high impact zones of the rider's body: the shoulders, the elbows, and the back. This specific jacket from Alpinestars also has inserts for additional chest pads as well. There are 2 ways that you can locate the armor pads. You can either flip the jacket inside out, as we'll be doing in this video, or you can leave the jacket as it is, the way it is worn. Out of these 2 ways, flipping the jacket on the inside out seems to be the easiest method due to the fact that you can see where your hands and the pads are located. If you don't flip the jacket inside out, it's a bit trickier because you'll have to rely more on your hands and less on your sight. But if your jacket doesn't do well with the whole inside out method, just stick to using your hands. No worries, you can still locate the pads just fine. For the inside out method, start by pulling each sleeve inside out, one by one. Once you've done this, you're ready to find the armor pad pockets. To access the protective padding, you'll need to locate the interior zipper, which opens to the underlayer where the motorcycle jacket keeps the protective padding inserts. Once you've accessed this layer, you can then locate the insert pocket compartments for each protective pad. Next, feel around for the opening of that compartment. It will most likely be a Velcro strap secured pocket. This may be tricky at first, and it takes some getting used to. Once located, open the Velcro and insert your hand into the compartment to retrieve the padding. Next, direct your hands to the elbow area of the jacket where the protective padding is located. Feel around for the Velcro opening of the elbow padding compartment. Open the Velcro seal to retrieve the elbow padding. Once you've taken the protective padding out of the left side of the jacket, repeat the same removal process for the right side of the jacket. Remember to try to maneuver the jacket in such a way to position the protective padding compartments into eyesight whenever possible. It really speeds up the process when you can see what your hands are doing. If you can't, no problem. Just use your sense of touch and feel. Now that you've taken all of the padding out of the arms, let's remove the back protector pad. This is probably the easiest of the padding to remove and shouldn't take much effort. It's a large compartment in the spinal area of the jacket. You can't miss it. Located in the center back area, there will be a Velcro seal that runs across the back padding compartment. Open the Velcro strap and remove the back padding protector. The insertion installation method involves a similar process. It's just simply inserting the pads instead of removing them. If you've already located the protective padding to remove them, you should know the exact areas of where to install them. In addition to that, each protective pad should have a marker like this set from Alpinestars. Each pad indicates which side and which part of the jacket each pad goes. You can also use your eyes to visually see what part of your body the shape of the pad looks like. If you can't distinguish the pads by their shape, place them on your body to see where they fit. Odds are, if they look like they match that part of the body, that is where the pad belongs. They're designed in a way to ergonomically match and fit your body parts. So they should be shaped and look just like the body part they're meant to protect. Just make sure you get the left and right sides correct. If there are any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments section or shoot me an email at motoreveries@gmail.com. Okay folks, that's all I've got for you today. Remember to stay geared up and keep your head on swivel. Ride safe out there. Moto Reveries signing off.